My name is Fred Koehl. I'm now 70 years old. I live in the mountains of North Georgia. I'm married and have two adult daughters. I like to hike and backpack, and I'm trying to get into woodworking with some equipment that I inherited from my father. One day, it all of a sudden felt like I was getting the flu, except I had no respiratory symptoms, and pretty quickly decided I needed to go see the doctor. Within a week, I was diagnosed as having cholangiocarcinoma. It turned out it was extrahepatic cholangio. And fortunately, within 3 weeks of starting to feel bad, I was able to have the Whipple surgery. And the determination was that I was just stage 1. It was the best possible result from the surgery at that time. Resources that were impactful in my treatment plan and in the overall journey is really the information available. Follow-up questions when they're suggesting something. You've got to be armed yourself with that information. And that's one of the most important things for me that I've gained and continue to gain through the resources of the foundation. I rely on them as a important point of contact for information, not static, but continually growing and improving. Having those connections with fellow patients and with some key members of the staff of the foundation, having that support is really invaluable. I have been involved in the Cholangio Connect program, which is something through the foundation where patients who've been going through this for a while are connected with newly diagnosed patients. We ask for a mentor through the foundation, someone who has kind of been through this, knows a lot of what you're going through as a newly diagnosed patient, and can help point you in the right direction. I would encourage newly diagnosed folks to make those connections with someone through the Cholangio Connect program. Find out what their journey has been and how they might learn from that. I get hope looking forward. There are so many more resources available and treatment options available than there were 5 years ago, certainly 8 years ago, when I started my journey. Having successfully dealt with this disease for over 8 years, does give me some confidence.